Hello, welcome back to our online class, grade 1 students. So last week we've learned about plants and animals habitat, and for this week we are going to learn the importance of habitat or environment to plants and animals. So of course our subject is science, and then we are going to learn that lesson today. So before that, we are going to identify what is habitat or environment. So habitat is where plants and animals live. And then next one, we are going to look at the importance of it. What are the importance of habitat or environment to plants and animals? So number one is they can live safely, okay? And then number two, they can find food. Number three, they can reproduce. And then number four, they can take care of their young. For example, frogs cannot live in the desert because they need a lot of water to live and lay their eggs. Okay, so remember, there are some effects of dirty water or destroyed environment to plants and animals. If the environment is destroyed or dirty, animals or plants cannot live by themselves. Okay, so if the environment or habitat will change also, plants and animals may not survive. For example, if algae are gone, water animals cannot live because algae is the food source of the water animals. But some animals can adapt the change of environment. Like for example, African elephant, they can flap their big ears from hot to cold to warm themselves. Okay, so remember grade 1 students that habitat or environment is very important to plants and animals. So I will conclude it that without it, animals or plants may not survive or they will die. So I hope you've learned something about this day again. And for your activity, grade 1 students, I am going to explain it to you. So you are going to write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. So number one is in a dirty water, animals cannot survive. Number two, all animals can adapt to a new environment. Number three, habitat is also called as environment. Number four, frogs can live in a desert. Is it? And then the last one, number five, algae are the food source of water animals. For the next 5 items, you are going to match the picture of animals or plants to their habitat or environment. So number one picture is fish, number two cactus, number three cow, number four owl, number five shark. And then the choices there are pond, desert, forest, grass field, and ocean. Okay, so that's it for this day, students, and see you again on our next online class video.